In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get a boarding pass on Air France on the app. This will work on both Android and iPhones, and it's super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your smartphone device. Then from here, you'll need to go up to either App Store or Google Play. From here, you'll need to go up to the search bar and click in Air France, like so. From here, the second app right here will be Air France, and you just need to download it onto your smartphone device. From here, you'll need to open it, and then from here it should look something like this. Here, it will ask you if you want to sign up or sign into an account, but it's not necessary to get a boarding pass. From here, you'll need to go down to Booking, down in the menu, and then go up to this plus icon up in the right-hand corner. From here, you'll see here that you have a booking reference or ticket number, and you'll need to add in your last name that you used to get the trip from. From here, you'll need to click Add Booking, and then you'll have access to your boarding pass, check-in, and everything else with information about the flights and so on will be visible in there. It will also give you updated schedule for when it is time for takeoff. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!